Is your microwave looking a little worse for wear? Before you reach for those harsh chemicals, let me show you a simple, all-natural way to get your microwave sparkling again, using just water, vinegar, lemon, and a bit of dish soap. As you can see, the microwave is really dirty inside and long overdue for a clean. Even the top is really dusty. Look how bad all the buildup is inside this cupboard. These cupboards are really nice to have, but can actually really get really grubby in behind the microwave, especially when you can't remove it very easily to clean. I've just given this area a good wipe down quickly while the microwave was out so that it's ready for when the microwave is done. So what you will need are some microfiber cloths, a scrub daddy, just for in case, a microwave safe bowl, some dishwash liquid, some vinegar, 1 cup, and 1 cup of water, and 1 lemon. I'm going to start by rolling my lemon. I'm just going to take this board, squish it between that and the table, and give it a good roll. This is just going to loosen up the juices from inside that lemon. Once it's nice and soft, I'm going to slice it in half and then in half again, just like that. I'm now going to add my 1 cup of water, my 1 cup of vinegar. I'm going to squeeze some of that juice into the bowl and then just drop it in and leave it. I'm going to put this water now into the microwave and we're going to put that on for 5 minutes. Now that it's done, you can remove the glass bowl, being very careful as the glass bowl is really hot. So what that mixture's actually done is just help to steam inside the microwave, just to loosen all the grime off the sides of the microwave, helping to get it off a lot more easier. So we're going to now remove the glass plate, and I'm going to remove the rollers. And now you can take a closer look inside as to how dirty the microwave is. I know this color makes it very difficult to see the dirt. It's not a white microwave, but it really is very grimy inside. You can't really see it very well. So what I'm going to do now is go in with a wet cloth and a little bit of dishwash liquid. I'm just going to pour it on to my cloth. Starting from the top of the microwave, I'm just going to give it a good wipe inside. Always start from the top, then move to the sides, and then the bottom, giving it a good wipe. All the rice that's stuck in the back here. Look at that. That's all the dirt that's coming off the microwave. Just fold it over to the other side. Bottom. If you find that there are pieces stuck in grooves, I have a very nice microwave. It doesn't have any grooves in here. It's got a bit of a rounded edge. But if you have grooves and food gets stuck in there, you can just take a toothbrush and go in there with a toothbrush and it'll come out. Giving the inside a good wipe. Don't forget to do the surrounding section of your microwave before you move on to the door. Well, my microwave was clean enough that I didn't need to bring in the big scrub daddy. So if you do find that there are marks still inside, gently go with your scrub daddy around the microwave, and then once all of this is done, you are going to now go in with a wet cloth and just take off all that residue from the dish soap and anything else that might be left behind, starting from the top, moving to the sides, the back, and then the bottom. What I like to do once this step is done is go in now with a dry microfiber cloth and just wipe everything down to give it a good polish and to remove anything else that may just be left behind. And there you have a wonderfully clean inside, fresh smelling microwave. I gave the outside a quick wash, wipe and a dry. Now we're just going to go in and give this glass and rollers a good wash. Okay, microwave is back in place, looking so much cleaner and ready to add the insides back in. So I'm going to put the rollers back in and I'm going to add the glass and it's ready to go. That was really easy to do. I'm sure that you can agree that this was a really easy step to cleaning the microwave. I didn't have to scrub mine. If you do, just use your scrub daddy. Vinegar, lemon juice, water is all you need to make it smell really great and fresh and to clean all that grime on the inside. I would recommend you go try this method if you haven't already. Comment below and let me know how it went. If you're looking for some more quick, easy cleaning ideas, check out my previous video where I show you how to unblock your kitchen sink with ease. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next clean.